Welcome back to Borax Solutions. Today we're talking about a force that's reshaping the world as we know it, artificial intelligence. From the factory floor to the doctor's office, AI is making waves in every industry, transforming how businesses operate, innovate, and compete. If you're curious about how AI is changing the game and what it means for the future, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in! Imagine a world where machines don't just do the heavy lifting. They think, learn, and even make decisions. Well, that world is here, and it's all thanks to AI. Whether it's optimizing supply chains, diagnosing diseases, or providing personalized customer experiences, AI is at the heart of a revolution that's transforming industries and businesses across the globe. Let's start with one of the most transformative sectors, manufacturing. Traditionally, manufacturing has relied on manual labor and mechanical processes, but AI is changing that. Today, AI-powered robots are working alongside humans on assembly lines, not just performing repetitive tasks, but also inspecting products, predicting maintenance needs, and even optimizing production schedules. For example, AI can detect defects in products with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that only the highest quality items make it out the door. And because AI can analyze massive amounts of data, it can predict when machines need maintenance, reducing downtime and saving companies millions. It's like having a production manager who never takes a coffee break. Next up is healthcare, a field where AI is literally saving lives. From diagnostics to treatment planning, AI is transforming how doctors and nurses deliver care. Imagine AI systems that can analyze medical images in seconds, detecting early signs of diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's long before human eyes can see them. AI isn't just fast, it's also incredibly accurate. In fact, some AI systems are outperforming human doctors in certain diagnostic tasks. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, ensuring the best possible outcomes. It's like having a medical genius in every hospital. Now let's talk money, literally. The finance industry is one of the biggest adopters of AI, and for good reason. AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and even make investment decisions. With AI, financial institutions can analyze transaction patterns in real time, flagging suspicious activity before it becomes a full-blown security breach. And for investors, AI is providing insights that were once impossible to see. By analyzing market data, news, and even social media trends, AI can predict market movements with surprising accuracy, helping investors make smarter decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that actually works. But AI's impact isn't limited to the back office. Retail is another sector where AI is making a big splash. From personalized shopping experiences to smart inventory management, AI is changing the way we shop and how retailers operate. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know what you want to watch next? That's AI in action. In retail, AI is being used to analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and even manage inventory. By knowing what customers want before they do, retailers can stock their shelves with the right products at the right time, reducing waste and maximizing profits. It's like having a personal shopper who's also a data scientist. And let's not forget about customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming the new face of customer support, handling inquiries 24/7 with lightning-fast responses. These AI systems can handle everything from answering simple questions to resolving complex issues, freeing up human agents to focus on more critical tasks. Whether it's helping you track an order or guiding you through a troubleshooting process, AI is making customer service faster, more efficient, and available around the clock. It's like having a customer service team that never sleeps. So what's next? As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more profound changes in how industries operate. From fully autonomous factories to AI-driven healthcare innovations, the possibilities are endless. Businesses that embrace AI will have a competitive edge, driving innovation and growth in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine a world where AI helps every business operate at peak efficiency, where industries are driven by data and innovation, and where every customer interaction is personalized and optimized. That's the future of AI in business, and it's already starting to take shape. In conclusion, AI is transforming industries and businesses in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. From manufacturing to healthcare to finance, AI is making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. And while there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits are too great to ignore. The future of business is AI-powered, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this revolution. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the AI-powered world of business. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how AI can transform your industry, drop them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest from Borax Solutions. Until next time, stay innovative, stay ahead of the curve, and remember, AI isn't just the future, it's the present. Thank you.